Bring the magic of Christmas to your table with this wonderful appetizer, the Creme Tart. It's beautiful to look at and delicious to eat. For this recipe, I'm using a sheet of rectangular puff pastry because it allows me to make it a bit smaller than usual. But if you prefer it larger, for example, you can buy a round sheet of puff pastry. Actually, two if we want it much bigger. That said, now with a small lid, as you can see, I make the two circles. I press a little. And two circles. With a smaller pastry cutter, let's also get this other beautiful sheet of dough. There we go, and we'll make a little one. Let's remove the excess, but this won't be thrown away either. We'll reuse it for sure. And now, with a smaller pastry cutter, we form the circle. Then we make the central hole. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. The stars, so nothing goes to waste. Now let's put everything on a baking tray, just like this, and now all that's left is to bake it. Let's go. While the puff pastry is baking, let's prepare the other ingredients, the ones we'll need to decorate this wonderful cream tart. So I'm using fresh ricotta, but for those who don't like it or don't prefer ricotta, you can replace it with cream cheese instead. Okay, and now we'll season it with a pinch of salt and a bit of pepper. This is if you like it. If you don't have to add it, but a little bit tastes good. And of course, some Parmesan cheese. And we mix it. Here we go, we've got a very soft cream. We set it aside and we slice a few pickles into rounds like this. Some green and black olives also sliced into rounds, and we set them aside with some slices of salami. We make little rose shapes. So these are 3 slices and we roll them up on themselves. Like this. And then we cut. Here you go. Cute, right? Let's do the same thing with the ham. Here you go. A few slices of carrot. Some sugar snap peas. And of course also a tomato, always sliced, and if it's too big, we can cut it in half like this. And why not? A few pieces of cheese. There you go. And here the pastry is ready. It just came out of the oven and I baked it at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. And now all that's left is to assemble our cream tart on the serving plate. I've transferred the ricotta into a piping bag. Now I'll make a dot here, one here, and one here. This is to hold our pastry in place so it doesn't move. Okay. Now, with the star-shaped nozzle, let's decorate the pastry and make some cute little swirls. Okay. In the middle of these beautiful little swirls, let's put some pieces of cheese. And also some little pieces of tomato. A few more little dollops of ricotta. And we lay the other disc on top. Here we go. We do the same thing. So we're going to decorate with the ricotta. And we finish by adding some little roses of ham, salami, and a few slices of carrots. some cucumbers, black olive, green olive. Let's put them here. Ladies and gentlemen, our cream tart is ready to be enjoyed. It's beautiful to look at and delicious to eat. Look at this. What a show. Oh my, how beautiful. And there's even the mini one. Look how cute it is. Oh my. Dearest friends, what can I say? Seeing this marvel is truly exceptional. And I don't even feel like touching it because they're just too beautiful to look at. So bring it to the table and you'll make a great impression at Christmas and New Year's. And with that, I'm going to taste the little tree. With this wonderful cream, thank you. And with this wonderful taste, I wish everyone happy holidays. Thank you.